Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to get the Kraken hand, also known as the Kraken glove, in Roblox slap battles. This powerful item is a fantastic addition to your collection, but it does require a bit of strategy and cooperation. We'll cover everything from the essential gloves you need to the boss battle itself, ensuring you have a clear path to victory. Let's dive right in and get you equipped. To begin your quest for the Kraken glove, you'll need two specific items. First, you must possess the squid glove, which can be obtained after accumulating 2,750 slaps. Secondly, a friend must join you and equip the fish glove. This teamwork is absolutely essential, as their fish glove will be used to trigger the Kraken encounter. Make sure you are both ready in a public server before proceeding. Once you and your friend are prepared, the next step is to initiate the Kraken boss battle. With you wearing the squid glove, your friend must use their fish glove to slap you off the edge of the map in a normal arena. This unique interaction has a chance to transport you to the mysterious Kraken zone. Don't worry if it doesn't happen on your first try. You can attempt to trigger the fight again after a cooldown of 5 minutes. Upon entering the Kraken zone, prepare for a challenging boss fight. Your main strategy is to avoid the Kraken's powerful tentacle slams. When a tentacle gets stuck on the ship, seize the opportunity to attack it. Aim for the open mouths at the tip of each tentacle, as this is where you'll deal the most damage. Successfully defeating the Kraken will grant you the legendary Kraken glove and the exclusive Escape from Abyss badge. Good luck, and enjoy your new glove.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.